Exploring the wonders of New Zealand. Welcome to New Zealand, a land of breathtaking beauty, unmatched adventures, and rich culture. Let's take a journey through the most amazing places this paradise has to offer. First on our list is Milford Sound, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Located in Fiordland National Park, this natural masterpiece features towering fjords, cascading waterfalls, and tranquil waters perfect for boat tours and kayaking. Step into the world of Middle-earth at Hobbiton in Matamata. Fans of The Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit will adore the lush green hills and charming hobbit holes that bring Tolkien's fantasy world to life. Standing tall as New Zealand's highest mountain, Aoraki Mount Cook offers a haven for hikers, climbers, and photographers. The breathtaking glaciers and star-filled skies of this alpine region are unforgettable. Experience the geothermal wonders of Rotorua, where steaming geysers and bubbling mud pools showcase the Earth's raw power. Dive into the rich Maori culture with performances, traditional feasts, and a warm Kiwi welcome. A visit to Lake Tekapo is a must. Famous for its turquoise waters and the iconic Church of the Good Shepherd, it's also part of a dark sky reserve, offering some of the best stargazing on the planet. For thrill seekers, Queenstown is the ultimate destination. Whether it's bungee jumping, skydiving, or jet boating, this town has it all, surrounded by the majestic Remarkables mountain range. In Abel Tasman National Park, golden beaches meet crystal-clear waters. Perfect for kayaking, hiking, or simply relaxing, this coastal paradise is a must-visit for nature lovers. From rugged mountains to serene beaches, New Zealand truly has it all. Every corner of this stunning country offers an adventure, a story, and a memory waiting to be made. Thank you for joining us on this journey through New Zealand. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next one.